Chief Justice Satyusi Mativaparese has dismissed a claim by the Lands and Title Court to strike out a judicial review motion on a decision it delivered in August 2022. The applicants for a judicial review are Fonoti Pangamani Kalolos Towers, To'omata Paulos Towers, To'omata Veronica Towers, Tasipale Mikaele, Toilolo Pios Towers, Consuela Shepherd, Tumua Justin Towers, and Tauiliili Siluta Levy. The respondent is the Lands and Titles Court. Background to the application: on 25th of August 2022, LTC delivered a decision by the applicants, believe is a breach of their right to a fair trial under Article 9 of the Constitution. Central to the case is a dispute over the rightful heirs to the Mata title of Vaimoso. Most of the applicants reside abroad and they wrote to the LTC registrar that they could not attend the hearing of the matter on the allocated date because of the border closures due to COVID-19. The LTC president, however, decided to go ahead with the hearing because it was not clear when the border would reopen, then directed the applicants to have someone represent them. 8 months later, a decision was delivered. According to the applicants, LTC denied them their rights to a fair hearing, which meant the hearing was procedurally unfair and specifically was held in breach of the rights to natural justice. The respondent's argument: the respondent's Lands and Title Court applied to the Supreme Court to strike out the applicant's claim in its entirety. The respondent said that the claim and affidavits in support do not disclose an arguable case, and secondly, the claim was frivolous and vexatious and amount to an abusive process. With regards to the breach of Article 9, the respondent believes the applicant's reliance on Article 9 is misconceived. The Article 9 right is only available if an applicant can demonstrate a practical impossibility in accessing or participating in proceedings, which the applicant in this case has failed to show. The first named applicant represented the family in the LTC proceedings, and the second to the eighth named applicant claimed that they could not participate effectively because most were in New Zealand, but this does not constitute a breach of Article 9, given that representation existed, claimed the respondent. The Lands and Titles Court highlighted that it is not under any obligation to serve documents on every individual family member where representation exists. Decision: in passing judgment, the Chief Justice believed this was a case about the rights to a fair trial. Chief Justice Perez said the applicants say that their rights to a fair trial has been breached. This is their arguable case and the court agrees with them. He said that while the respondents put up a strong argument, the court considers that the applicant's challenge is arguable. He said for the reason outlined above, there is no merit in the respondent's application to strike out the applicant's claim, and it is therefore dismissed. The costs are appropriate, and counsel are to confer, and if unable to resolve, then they are to file memoranda within 14 days of the date of the judgment and the matter listed in the civil mentions on Monday, the 13th of April 2026, to allocate a hearing of 2 days. If you are interested to read more of our stories, visit our news website on talamore.com. This is Jenny Benehuro of Talamore Media.